Welcome guys to my channel once again. It's the host OTC right here. So in today's video we'll be discussing about Euro JPY pair for the upcoming trading week, that is from 19 to 23rd July. So let's begin. Alright traders, so as you can see we are here in Euro JPY pair. This is because I'm in trade right now. I'm just holding it. That's because I saw some things going right now. So let's dive into it. What do we see right here first of all? Okay, let's just see the overall trend here. So what do we see? Price was in downtrend. As you can see, big push, then retracement, then minor push, then retest in this area, but didn't broke above it, didn't faked out, but instead it dropped. Alright, then when it came to this support zone, as you can see, gave a push, then down, and as of now price is in, as you can see, price starting to retrace, but huge selling pressure was up there. So it's not much in daily, so let's just move to 4 hour. Okay, what do we see in 4 hour? We are seeing is price testing it but didn't broke below this level. Okay, let me just mark a different color. Orange will be better. Okay, so as you can see, price didn't broke below this level, but instead pushed back up, then a minor retracement. Then what it might do is that it might just move up, test this level. Let me mark out test zone. Price might test this level, and then if we see a big spike, then price will starting to move to the downside, as you will see right now. Okay, as we have this area, which is our next support level. So price might push to the downside, then will be moving to the upside, which is this area. Alright, so let's just move to a hourly time frame. Alright, so as you can see, selling pressure is just moving away. That means sellers are not interested selling in these areas because it's not much discount over here. So what will they do? They will let the buyer push the price to the upside, which is up to this or this area, then it might go down. Alright, so what I'm in here for longs, if I see some good price action right here, some good price action, then I will enter this trade again. Alright, I will enter another lot. So as I've been holding this for like now it's Sunday, so I've been holding from Thursday onwards, so like 4 days. Alright, so let the price give some confirmation and show some price action, then I will enter another position for it. So in Euro JPY, my overall bias is for the long. If the price will be going for the long, my target, another position target would be this area, which is about nearly 70 pips. All right. So if you guys like today's analysis for the upcoming week, so make sure that you guys like and share so that you don't miss any upcoming updates about videos. All right, sorry for that, some works going on in my house. All right, so hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys will be having a banger week, and peace out.